Hello, this is Kim with Exit Town and Lake Realty. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today we are at 544 Hicks Drive in Bracey, Virginia. This is about a 15-minute drive up the interstate from South Hill. It's a large house, so we have a lot to get through. And here you have the living room, your family room. This home will be offered fully furnished. The tenant will be responsible for their utilities. Formal living room. You have a beautiful, beautiful chef's dream kitchen. So you have the wine cooler, refrigerator, double oven, propane stove, microwave, sink with on-demand hot water, all of your plates, silverware, everything comes with this. Show you over here. You have a half bathroom for your guests to use, and also a side entry door. Eat-in kitchen. And this is on Lake Gaston, so I just want to take an opportunity to show you the lake. Right now we have had a lot of rain, so it's a little muddy. But the sun sets right over here, and it is absolutely gorgeous. You do have a double boat dock with a walk down to the boathouse. Just gorgeous. Peace and tranquility come to mind on this home. So you have a couple of different options with bedrooms here. Right now, the downstairs is being used as an office for the current homeowner. However, they will be willing to move this office to the basement, and we can add a bed here. Of course, the bookshelves are built in, so we would not be able to move those. But if space is a need for you, we will definitely try to accommodate your needs. So initially, this was the master bedroom. And you have large closet, walk-in closet. It's being used right now for the owner's storage. We'll get that out for you. Nice walk-in bathroom. This house just has tons of character and charm. Look at the shower head. I don't know if you can see it. I mean, that's like your own spa. Okay, so this can be considered as one bedroom. So we're going to keep going. You have your laundry room, front load washer and dryer, formal dining room. Look at that chandelier go. Is that not beautiful? Alrighty. Bear with me as we go up the stairs. So up here we have another bedroom, well, 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Saving the best for last. Well, not really last. Have a sitting area with a TV. Another guest bathroom, tile shower, So you have double beds in here. And this is where we could take one of the beds and put it downstairs if you needed more space. Y'all, look at this right here. It's not beautiful. Okay, into the master suite. So the owner currently uses this as the master suite. So essentially you could have two master suites. Have a nice little walkout here. The bathroom is beautiful, full of tile, has a bidet, jetted tub with a shower. And this closet is massive. So, walk you around in here. Huge woman's dream closet, right? Look at these cabinets. It's beautiful. So a whole room is used as a closet. And more drawers. So that's the upstairs, and now we are going to go to the basement. So bear with me for a moment. I'll just talk about, we are at exit 4, which is 4 miles from the North Carolina line, approximately an hour from Raleigh, an hour from Richmond, so you have the best of both worlds. Like I said earlier, 15 minutes to South Hill. Bracey is a nice community. It's a lake community. Okay, so down here you have a kitchenette, stackable washer and dryer, and I just want to take an opportunity to show you these terracotta tiles. They are just gorgeous. Okay, so 2-car garage. And here you have some extra closets, plumbing room, utility room, refrigerator. And you have another garage in this room. For essence of time, I'm just going to keep going. So large space. You would need to furnish this area if you wanted to use it. So you could make this a suite down here. Pool table, mini fridge, dishwasher, stove, and tons of cabinets. Log out it once again to the lake. And in here you have, right now it's currently being used as an exercise room. You could make this your bedroom. You would need to bring your own bed, unfortunately. Stackable washer and dryer. Stand-up shower. All right, y'all, you've seen it. 544 Hicks Drive. Give us a call if you have any questions, 9434-955-1114, or visit us on our website, rentals@exit.com. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.